Hello and welcome to Knowledge Transfer YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to join Pi network using invitation code, having high quality security circle for best result, and verified KYC Pi mining account giving you 100% verified Pi coins for withdrawal. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the like button and press the bell icon so to get notified for new upcoming videos. Without further ado, let's get started. In your mobile phone, go to Google Play Store or App Store and type Pi Network. Click Install. After installation, click Open. Now you can continue with either Facebook account or continue with phone number. In our case we will continue with phone number. Select your country. In my case it's Pakistan. Enter phone number. You will need to verify your number in order to claim the coins you mine. Enter your password here. Don't forget this password, otherwise you will not be able to recover your forgotten password as of today. Click Submit button. Now enter your first name, last name and username. Make sure that you must write your first name and last name as real name based on your passport or official ID. Make username simple to spell. It will help you get more team members. Click Submit button. Now important part is invitation code. Enter the invitation code as this. Click Submit button. Welcome to Pi, your first cryptocurrency. Congratulations, your Pi account is successfully set up. Tap here to mine. Click and get started. Click Next to continue. After login, verify your phone number and Facebook and profile section. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, please don't forget to ask in the chat box of this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the like button and press the bell icon so to get notified for new upcoming videos.